Hi, I'm Rob Reeves, VS Sassoon Stylist, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to easily achieve salon looks at home. These are quick and easy steps to create beautiful hair so you can love your own individual style. Creating waves using a hair curler is super easy. This is a simple look, but very stylish and easy to create at home using the VS Sassoon 38mm curler. Firstly, take a section from the temple on one side to the temple on the other side. Twist and clip on the top of the head. Next, take the section from the top of the ear to the top of the other ear and secure with a clip. The hair left down at the back is your first section. Hold the curler, take a section of hair starting 2 to 3 centimeters from the head and wrap it around the barrel. Hold it in the hair for approximately 5 to 10 seconds depending on the hair type and condition. Release the hair, continue the same technique until every section has been curled. Leave the hair to cool, this will set the curl, then gently run your fingers through your hair to soften and finish your style. That's how you create waves using a curler. Love your style and easily create salon looks at home with VS Sassoon. For more tutorials and product details, search VS Sassoon. Make sure you like this video and subscribe below.